Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about Bertrand Russell. We'll discuss some questions in MCQ's form. Bertrand Russell was a multifaceted personality. He was a philosopher, mathematician, logician, historian writer, a political activist, and social critic. Our first question is, when was Bertrand Russell born? Option B is the right answer. Bertrand Arthur William Russell was born on 18 May 1872. He died of influenza on 2nd Feb 1970. When was Russell awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature? Option A is the right answer, 1950. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1950. Some other prizes given to him include Kalinga Prize 1957, Jerusalem Prize 1963, Sylvester Medal 1934, and the Order of Merit 1949. I spent all my spare time reading him and learning him by heart, knowing no one to whom I could speak of what I thought or felt. Who does him refer to in the above lines? Option C is the right answer, Percy Bysshe Shelley. The complete statement includes, I used to reflect how wonderful it would have been to know Shelley and to wonder whether I should meet any live human being with whom I should feel so much sympathy. Russell's essay on denoting was published in the Philosophical Journal. Option B is the right answer, Mind. He wrote on denoting in 1905, which was published in the Philosophical Journal, Mind. Together with G. E. Moore, Gottlob Frege, and Ludwig Wittgenstein, Russell is generally recognized as one of the founders of option A is the right answer, analytic philosophy. In analytic philosophy, the analysis of language is focused on. This emphasis on language is known as linguistic turn. Russell says that the cause of educational reform is forced upon. Option A is the right answer, conscientious parents. He says the cause of educational reform is forced upon conscientious parents, not only for the good of the community, but also for the good of their own children. Under which head does Russell deal with sex education? Option B is the right answer, education of character. He says, I shall deal first with education of character because it is especially important in early years, but I shall carry it through to adolescence and deal under this head with the important question of who, according to Russell, were the two great reformers of the educational theory before the 19th century. Option A is the right answer, Locke and Rousseau. John Locke, an English philosopher commonly known as the father of liberalism, modern conceptions of identity and the self are often said to be originated from Locke's theory of mind. Jean-Jacques Rousseau was a Genevan philosopher. His Emile or on Education is an educational treatise on the place of the individual in society. According to Russell, the study of classics is option A is the right answer, ornamental. He says, among the other considerations, one is that the classics are ornamental and science is useful. Russell argues that the whole educational problem where women are concerned has been distorted by the desire for, option A is the right answer, sex equality. He says the whole educational problem where women are concerned has been distorted by the desire for sex equality. There has been an attempt to acquire the same education as that given to boys, even where it was by no means good in itself. Consequently, women educators have aimed at giving to their girls such useless knowledge as is given to boys of the same class, and have been bitter opponents of the notion that some part of female education should be technical training for motherhood. Please do subscribe the channel and like the video if you find it useful.